In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Cursor AI with Xcode to build an iOS app. Cursor AI and Xcode make a powerful combo for iOS development. Think of Xcode as your official workspace for building, running, and shipping your app, while Cursor AI acts like a smart coding partner that writes and refines Swift and Swift UI code from plain English prompts. The key idea is to keep Xcode as your source of truth for compiling and testing, and use Cursor to accelerate the writing and refactoring of your code. Here's how the workflow feels in practice. You'll create or open your iOS project in Xcode as usual. Then, with the same project files available in Cursor, you'll describe what you want in natural language. For example, you might say, create a Swift UI view with a navigation stack, a list of items loaded from a simple model, and a detail screen with an image and description. Cursor will generate the scaffolding and the view code, often with previews and helpful comments. You can then bring that code back into your Xcode project or keep the files synchronized depending on your setup. As you iterate, keep your prompts specific. Mention the platform and target like iOS 17 with SwiftUI, and call out constraints such as using MVVM, avoiding third-party dependencies, or sticking to Apple's human interface guidelines. If you hit a build error in Xcode, copy the error message and ask Cursor to fix it. You can say, compiler error, type mismatch in content view. Update the model and view so the for each use is identifiable. Cursor will propose a patch you can review before applying. It's important to validate everything in Xcode. Run the simulator, check SwiftUI previews, and verify that navigation, state updates, and layout behave correctly. If something looks off, ask Cursor to adjust the layout, spacing, or accessibility labels. Cursor is great at quick refactors too. Rename a view, extract a reusable component, or convert imperative code to a more declarative SwiftUI style with a single prompt. A few tips to stay efficient. Keep your file structure clean so Cursor understands project context, reference file names and types in your prompts, and request tests when it makes sense, like add a unit test for the view model's filtering logic. Always review generated code, especially anything that touches app permissions, networking, or data storage, and don't paste secrets into prompts. By combining Xcode's reliability with Cursor's code generation and editing, you'll move faster from idea to a working iOS app, with cleaner iterations and fewer manual edits.